Yebo. Alright. Uyabona abantu uma befuna ukuthi igama lakho lingcole, bafuna ukuthi igcwale kube into namaphoyisa, kube ngathi hayi manje useyikhindini, let's discredit into nani because that's what it's about, ne? Make sure ukuthi your life. Watch. Wait for my life. Wait for my life, ne? Wait for my life. Ilokho engizokusho. Hlala ulindele for my life. Ukuthi yipi yona ngasi, kodwa hlala ulindele. Kunabantu abarotsha imali asebevula ama case ngamagama abantu abayibiza ngabelaphi. Makuliwa mfethu akuliwe. Yayizwa lonto. I want to give them a platform to talk. Omunye ngiyakuyena manje. Nangu la eduze wami. Range lapha ngiyomlanda. It's time. If we fight, we go all out. Asiyaliyo. Asilweke. Asibe. Ngeke ni discredit ingilozi yokukhanya. It's too late. You can't discredit what I do. It's too late. Too late, my friends. Too late. Kodwa ke. We're going to be listening to what was done to abantu. But this guy's weapon for it, but this guy's is true. It's time. We grab the bull by the horns. Mathathu la madoda. Cabanga yohlala nama-client abo awu-3. 111. So ke sizwe namhlanje. It is what it is. Sazoba mnandi emzansi. Sazoba mnandi emsabeni. Hlale nikwazi lokho. (084-363-5362) 084-363-5362. That is the number that you guys can call. Tell your story. Tell your story. Danko.